In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way how to sharpen your mower blades on a Simplicity Citation XT. This is going to work for a lot of different zero turns. Taking the mower deck off a zero turn is a pain in the butt. So I'm going to show a quick and easy way to get those blades off. Go ahead and drive your Simplicity Citation up on top of some car ramps. As you can see how much clearance you have under there, you can simply slide under there and remove the blades. The Citation XT takes a 15/16 socket. You can easily climb under here. I'm going to take these blades off, show you how to sharpen them. Now, in order to stop the blades from turning while you loosen that bolt, you can either use a snap clamp or some vice grips. And there's baffles underneath there. You can just clamp on to a baffle. When the blade hits your clamp, it's going to stop turning. Now, the best way to sharpen your blades are to clamp them in a bench vise, and then we're going to grind away all this chipped edge, grind on this flat side a little bit, and then grind the angle back in. And for grinding, I just use a 90-degree angle grinder with a flat disc. Common misconception is a lot of people grind this edge to like a razor blade, and that's just going to chip away and dent very quickly. You want this edge to be just a little bit thinner than like the thickness of a credit card. Once you get your blades nice and sharp, we'll go ahead and remount them. I'm going to bring the camera in close so you can see where I have these clamps. I clamp them onto the baffles inside there. They stop the blade from turning while I tighten the nut. As you can see, I'm using two clamps right there clamped on that baffle edge. And that's going to stop that blade from turning while I tighten it up. If you don't have a baffled edge like this, you can go ahead and wedge a 2x4 in there to stop the blade from turning while you tighten it up. Just a quick note, whenever you're reinstalling your blades, maybe you've done it for the first time, maybe you're kind of a new homeowner with a new lawnmower, the flat side of the blade is always down towards the grass. Now, I used to do lawnmower repair and service, and I'd see blades mounted upside down and people couldn't understand why it wasn't cutting right. So if you look at the blade, this flat side right here is always going to be towards the grass. Congratulations on sharpening your own lawnmower blades. Save yourself a lot of time and money by doing it yourself, and your lawn's going to appreciate your troubles. Hope this video was helpful and informational to you, and thanks for watching.